So that's the fridge. You guys know that. So welcome back to the video. I'm Santa Thomas with you. Today we're gonna continue our pond work, guys. That'll be interesting. So I settled my pond inside my garden. That's the perfect place I've found. So the construction work is stopped at the moment. So I don't know what to do. So just I kept my pond in a particular place. That place is interesting, guys. You'll be seeing that now. We're going directly to the backyard now, upstairs. Here we go, guys. This is amazing. So that's the fridge. You guys know that. So I just did some painting work in front, just with the black paint, the tape. So we'll go in. This is the door I made temporarily with 2 planks right over here. 2 planks. That's amazing. And this is our entrance actually. And there's the pump right on the bottom. So that pump, I said the function before. So that pushes the water through this hose, and it flows here, right here, for the first one, for the first container, and it goes to the second one, the chalk, and the third one, the carbon, and it purifies and it flows down to this. But unfortunately, I couldn't keep a sponge in the first one because it's if I keep the sponge, it's overflowing out because it's too low. So this, I hope it will be okay for now, and that's good. That system is actually cool, guys. This is made by ourselves, and that's cool. It's flowing through like a waterfall. That's not a waterfall. And cool, guys, and we're gonna put some fish inside. Those are the balls. I show you that today. So that's in the bottom. And let's go down and take some fish. Go down. I thought of shifting my Oscars to that pond. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2 wilds and 2 albinos. That's amazing. So only Oscars, guys, so I can feed them whenever they want, so they can be inside that pond. That's cool. So let's take them out. Yeah, guys, we got them. 4 of them. Let's go. Okay. So we need to acclimate them sometime, guys. So I'm gonna put some of the water from this to this bucket right here, so they'll get acclimated for that water, and we'll keep them for 5 minutes and then put them back in. Got a hose to pull the water out of that pond and to fill inside the bucket little by little, so they'll get acclimated for that water. So let's do it. Yeah, guys, can you see? Yep. So we'll leave it for 5 minutes for acclimation. So these buddies will be acclimated for this water, and we can put them back in. 5 minutes over, let's put them in. Gotcha. Yeah. Come on, buddy. Cool. Amazing, amazing. Hey guys, they're cool. They're wandering because it's a different place for them. So it's okay. They'll be okay within 1 or 2 days. Just take a look, guys. So this little enclosure looks nice. And can you see that logo right there? It's a small logo. That's funny. It's nice too. And that's amazing, guys. This entrance, I love this entrance. Go in. And that fridge actually looks amazing. Can you see those Oscars? Beautiful, buddies. Yeah, they're fine. They're all fine. Good. There are some plants behind too. They're very beautiful. I love them. Plants. And the banana tree right here. That's amazing. Oh. And can you see this tree right here, guys? This one. It's going top to top to top. Right there. It's going right there, guys. Can you see that? It's a very tall tree in this small garden. Yeah, that's very tall, a very huge tree. This one. That's cool. Everything is fine. Everything is going on smooth, and the filter system is working on right there. And the green net right over there. It's very amazing, guys. You can just buy that cheap, and you can just put it on, and it's very cool inside actually. And that's good to make an enclosure. And thank you guys for watching this video until now. Please go down below and put your comments about this video, and hit the like button if you like this video, and subscribe my channel if you're new. And I'm thanking everyone whoever subscribed my channel. Whoever. Now I'm just 190 subscribers. So thank you guys whoever subscribed to my channel. Thank you very much for supporting me. And I'm going on. I'll be uploading many videos in the future. So stick on with me and watch my videos. And be safe out there, guys. This virus is spreading all over. Please be careful. Wash your hands. Please be neat. And maintain your health. See you guys. Bye-bye in the next video.